Hey Kyle, I'm just going to run through these songs that we went over when I come around in homecoming, so that way you can practice them and get a good idea of what they are all about. So here is we'll start with homecoming first, and remember what I said. Just kind of go through them and it doesn't really matter if you play the song right per se just yet. Just get the notes down. So we'll start right here. We're on 5 on the A string with your power chord. So it starts off like this. It's just dun, dun, dun. And then you're going to slide over all the way to 10 on the A string, and it kind of goes like this. Go over one. Okay, so there's your notes right there. You've got 5 on the A string, 5 on the E string, you slide over to 10 on the A string, 9, slide over to back to 5. Okay, so kind of work with it and get a little bit of a rhythm going, like you're just playing the song kind of like half speed, just getting the idea, building up. As you go, you can work with your metronome, like we talked about on Guitar Tuna later, but you're really working up to the full speed. For now, just get the notes down. I'll play it a couple times, and you can kind of play along with this if you want to. So here goes a couple times that you can play along to, and then feel free to play it on your own. Here we go. Okay, and so that gives you something to play along with. If you can rewind this video and just go along with it and see if you can keep up with it as you play, and you can start the metronome and stuff like that and try to keep up with that too. And then we'll work on that's just kind of the intro. We'll work on the chorus for it later if you want to learn that stuff. That's fine. And then also we'll move on to the song When I Come Around. And on this one, you're kind of practicing palm mutes. Um, Again, you just want to get right now, you just want to work on things like skills. You're just building the skill to get the right notes down. You're building the skill to put your palm in the right place and make a palm mute, right? So don't worry too much about it sounding exactly like the song or anything like that. You just want to get the right notes, and you want to get your fingers used to moving along the fretboard and stuff like that. So here we go. Let's go over the notes for When I Come Around. You're going to start on 3, okay? This is the 3rd fret, and you're on the E string, the top string, okay? And so you've got a, okay? So I'm just going to show you the notes right now. So you're going to start with this one, and then you're going to drop down a string to the A string, and you're playing on 5 now. And then you're going to slide over to 7, and then all the way back to 3, but you're still on that A string, okay? So you add in the palm mutes, and you've got, okay? Add in those palm mutes and really work on that. If you find that you're getting too much of a, or you're not getting enough, then you've got to make sure that your palm is right in the right place on that bridge, on those strings, because if it's not, you'll get either too much of a mute or no mute at all. So you got to have it right in the right spot. Find that sweet spot. You might even have to do that and move your hand around and try and find it. But in any case, here we go. I'm going to play the song just kind of like I guess I'll play it at the full standard pace for you, so you can play along with it as well. Okay, I'll just play a few measures, and you can, if you want to rewind this and play with it, then you can. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we'll end it there. But again, just kind of get the right notes. If it takes you doing this for a while, and even if you want to experiment with the palm muting, you can use the same notes, and you can even kind of invent your a new song with the same notes. If you're doing something like, just maybe doing up and down, or maybe you just do the whole song palm muted. Like. Same notes, I'm just using a different rhythm. I'm just palm muting the whole time. Okay, so have fun with it. You've been doing really good, but the practice at home is what's going to get you really, really good at building those skills and stuff like that. So practice these. We'll go over them, and I'm going to show you some new stuff too on on Friday. Okay, so I'll see you on Friday. Keep practicing and keep working hard.